Find the absolute value. We have absolute value of 5 and absolute value of negative 5. Ano po kayang mga sagot? Say natin. We have positive 5. Absolute value of positive 5, the answer is just 5. How about absolute value of negative 5? The answer is still 5. Pero paano po kaya nakuha yan? Take a look at this number line. Pag sinabi nating absolute value, we're looking for the distance of that particular number from 0. At kapag naghahanap tayo ng distansya, it's always positive. Again, it's always positive. Never po siyang magiging negative because it's impossible. Kapag nagsusukat tayo lang isang bagay, imposible po na maging sagot mo dyan ay negative. It's always positive. Okay? Pero paano kayo nakuha yung positive 5 sa absolute value of 5? Say natin. So, from 0, okay, na magtatapos po tayo kay 5. Kasi hanapin natin yung distance nila. Bilangin natin, ilang beses kaya tayo magja-jump. From 0, papunta kay 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why the absolute value of 5 is 5. Pero paano po yung negative 5? Okay, mula ulit kay 0, papunta naman po kay negative 5. Bilangin ulit natin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why the answer is, for the absolute value of negative 5, the answer is 5. Kaya? Naintindihan? Paano naman po kaya to? Find the absolute value of negative 17 and absolute value of 121. Comment your answer below. So, tignan natin kung tama mga sagot ninyo.